In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Figma prototype as a GIF. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll want to make sure you are in your Figma workspace. This is where we'll start. Head over to your Figma files, which you can easily access using the link I've put in the description. Once you're there, you're ready for the next step. Now, before we can save your prototype as a GIF, you need to have at least 2 frames in your design. This is essential because a GIF is essentially an animation that requires multiple images or frames to create movement. So go ahead and create or check that you have those frames set up. Next, select all the frames you want to include in your GIF. It's important to select them carefully, as these frames are going to be the basis of your animation. This selection process will be reflected in the final GIF. Once you've selected your frames, take a look at the right sidebar of your Figma interface. You should see an option labeled Export at the bottom. This is where things get really interesting. Confirm your selection by verifying that the Export section indicates the number of frames you've chosen. If you've selected 3 frames, it should say Export 3 layers. If it doesn't match, double-check your selection. Now that you've confirmed your selection, it's time to compress those frames to prepare for GIF creation. Look for the Actions menu in Figma, and in the search bar, type Tiny Image Compressor. Click on that when it appears. This tool will help optimize your frames for GIF creation, making them more manageable and ensuring they look great. You'll now see an option for Create GIF MP4 within the Tiny Image Compressor. Click on this option, and this is where your GIF creation will really begin. Once you've done this, you'll be prompted to make any modifications you may want for your GIF, such as choosing the speed or adjusting the size. After you're satisfied with how your GIF is looking, you'll want to save it. There should be a Save option available, so go ahead and click that. This ensures that your GIF is stored on your device, ready for you to share with the world. And there you have it. You've successfully saved your Figma prototype as a GIF. With a little creativity, your designs can now come to life in a fun and engaging format. Whether you're sharing them on social media, incorporating them into presentations, or using them to showcase your work, GIFs are a great addition to any designer's toolkit. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.